Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Bariatric Cookbook is probably one of the most important tools for anyone starting their weight loss journey after bariatric surgery. It provides delicious and nutritious recipes tailored to your specific needs, helping you navigate the dietary changes and restrictions that come with the procedure, ensuring you get the right nutrients while enjoying satisfying meals, making the transition smoother and more enjoyable. Number 5. Mediterranean Diet Cookbook. This cookbook offers 101 delicious and healthy Mediterranean recipes. It's perfect for busy individuals who want to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. Each recipe takes just 30 minutes to prepare. It's a simple way to improve your diet and overall well-being. Discover a wide variety of flavorful dishes. It's designed to make healthy eating enjoyable and sustainable. It features the best of Mediterranean cuisine. It's packed with fresh ingredients and vibrant flavors. These recipes are easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. It's a great way to explore the Mediterranean diet. Get your copy now and start enjoying delicious and healthy meals. It's time to prioritize your health and taste buds. What we like. It features delicious Mediterranean recipes that are simple to make. If you are looking for a healthy and flavorful way to eat, this cookbook is perfect for you. This is ideal if you want to adopt a healthy lifestyle with tasty and easy-to-follow recipes. What people say. Several of the recipes are standard favorites, but with a twist. For example, the beef sliders include chopped mushrooms for a juicy burger with added veggie benefits. The pasta for the pasta fagioli soup is cooked directly in the soup pot for a quick one-pot meal. The hummus is made with budget-friendly peanut butter rather than the more expensive tahini and contains just 5 ingredients. Another thing I like about this book are all the tips the authors give to make both the experienced cook and the beginning cook successful. For example, ingredient substitutions and alternatives are offered. Both quantities and approximate amounts of ingredients are given. For example, 2 garlic cloves, minced, about 1 teaspoon. Times, temperatures and size of preparation bowls and cooking pans are given throughout. You don't have to guess whether or not to cover a pan or skillet when you cook a recipe. This is an easy, flavorful, fabulous cookbook. It includes an easy-to-understand overview of the Mediterranean diet and basic principles of the diet and lifestyle. It also provides a helpful list of foods and equipment to stock in your kitchen and pantry so that you can easily cook this way. There are 101 recipes for breakfast, snacks, soups and salads, main dishes and desserts. Each recipe is clear and easy to follow and true to the name of the book, taking 30 minutes or less to make. Number 4. Gastric Sleeve Cookbook. Losing weight after surgery can be challenging. This cookbook provides simple, delicious meal plans and recipes to support your journey. It features easy-to-follow recipes designed for your new lifestyle. Say goodbye to complicated cooking and hello to healthy eating. Discover a world of flavor with recipes that are both satisfying and nutritious. It's time to enjoy your food again. This cookbook helps you manage your portions effectively. It's a key element in maintaining your weight loss success. It's more than just a cookbook, it's a guide to building healthy habits for lasting weight management. It's an investment in your future well-being. Browse through a variety of recipes to find your new favorites. It's all about finding meals you love and that fit your needs. What we like. This cookbook provides simple meal plans and recipes designed specifically for people with gastric sleeves. If you've had gastric sleeve surgery and need help managing your diet, it is your best choice. It simplifies post-surgery nutrition, making weight management easier and more enjoyable. What people say. Great book with recipes as well as tips for new to the sleeve family. This was my go-to recipe book after my sleeve gastrectomy and the recipes in it were simple and tasty. Really enjoyed some of the smoothies and tuna dishes the best. The author put simple, easy-to-understand instructions in the palm of your hands to be successful. The information on pre- and post-gastrectomy advice was great. Super helpful. This book has a bunch of recipes that call for the same ingredients. So you can always mix and match. Plus it makes grocery trips really simple. 1 year post-op and I still use recipes from this book. Number 3. Healthy Meal Prep Cookbook. Welcome to the Healthy Meal Prep Cookbook. This book is designed to make healthy eating easier than ever before. Let's get started on your journey to delicious and nutritious meals. It features simple, wholesome recipes that are perfect for busy individuals. Each recipe is designed to be quick to prepare and incredibly satisfying. Learn how to efficiently prep your meals ahead of time. This saves you time and ensures you always have healthy options available. These recipes are perfect for busy lifestyles. They're designed to be easily packed and taken with you, wherever you go. It emphasizes the use of fresh, wholesome ingredients. You'll feel great knowing you're fueling your body with the best possible nutrition. Discover a world of flavor and nutrition. It's packed with recipes that are both delicious and good for you. What we like. It's all about easy and healthy meal prepping. If you are always short on time but still want to eat healthy, this is the one for you. It simplifies healthy eating by providing convenient, prepped meals perfect for busy lifestyles. What people say. What I did not expect was to find a book full of truly tasty recipes that are easy and relatively inexpensive to make. Great recipes, helpful meal plans, less food waste, more free time throughout the week. The recipes in the book are so simple that making them gets faster and faster each time. The ingredients are also simple. I didn't have to buy anything out of the ordinary for these recipes. Number 2. Fresh Start Bariatric Cookbook. Embark on a delicious journey with our cookbook, designed to help you savor your favorite foods after weight loss surgery. It's filled with healthy and satisfying recipes that make healthy eating enjoyable. This cookbook provides a wide variety of recipes, ensuring you won't get bored. Each recipe is carefully crafted to meet your nutritional needs post-surgery. We've made it simple for you. The instructions are clear and easy to understand, so you can confidently prepare each dish. It's possible to enjoy your favorite foods again. This cookbook shows you how to adapt your beloved dishes to fit your new lifestyle. This cookbook is your ultimate guide to healthy eating after weight loss surgery. It's time to rediscover the joy of cooking and eating. It's more than just a cookbook, it's a companion on your weight loss journey. It's designed to support you every step of the way. What we like. This offers a variety of healthy recipes that allow you to enjoy your favorite foods after weight loss surgery. If you've undergone bariatric surgery and miss your favorite dishes, this cookbook helps you adapt them healthily. It's perfect for those who want to maintain a healthy diet while still enjoying familiar tastes. What people say. The format of this cookbook is so bariatric friendly. Ms. Kent begins with an overview of the procedures and gently describes what to expect with food in post-op life. She gives suggestions about how to navigate the first few days and weeks after surgery and provides meal plans for liquid, puree, soft, and general diets based on the recipes contained in the book, setting you up for success. Every single recipe has a guide underneath the ingredients telling you how much you should eat in whichever stage you are post-op, and it helps you get a picture about how much you'll be able to eat as you ramp up. Every single recipe has a nutritional breakdown at the bottom of the instructions so you know exactly what you're getting per serving. Her recipe layout is super easy to read. Number 1. Bariatric Cookbook and Meal Plan. Embark on a transformative culinary journey designed to support your weight loss goals. This comprehensive guide provides everything you need for a successful bariatric experience. Learn how to prepare your body for surgery with delicious and nutritious recipes. It's all about setting yourself up for success. Discover a world of flavorful recipes tailored to your post-surgery needs. It simplifies the transition to a new way of eating. Enjoy a wide variety of simple, yet satisfying recipes. Each dish is designed to be both delicious and nutritionally balanced. This isn't just a temporary fix, it's a roadmap for long-term success. It helps maintain a healthy lifestyle for years to come. This cookbook and meal plan is your ultimate companion on your weight loss journey. Let it guide you to a healthier, happier you. What we like. It's a comprehensive resource with recipes and meal plans for before and after bariatric surgery. If you need a complete guide to nutrition throughout your weight loss journey, this is the ultimate choice. It provides support and guidance every step of the way, making the transition smoother and more successful. What people say. As a bariatric patient, I have found this cookbook to be an amazing guide and tool. Many people think that they will just eat less and be good. Not so. It is crucial to maintain proper protein and calcium levels. I learned so much from this book. Lot of pre-op information, as well as post-op food suggestions. Well structured and easy to follow. The recipes in this cookbook are easy, clear, and delicious. Your entire family will love them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.